In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy and paste charts from Google Forms to a Word document. Start by opening your Google form in your web browser. Make sure you are viewing the form you collected responses for, not a blank template. Once the form is open, look near the top for the tab labeled Responses, and click it. This is where Google Forms summarizes your results and automatically builds charts based on the answers people submitted. After you open the Responses tab, take a moment to scroll down through the page until you see the chart you want to use. Google Forms may show several sections, such as summary charts and individual question results, so scroll slowly until the correct chart is visible on your screen. When you find the chart you need, move your mouse to the top right corner of that chart box. You will see a small copy icon that looks like two overlapping squares. Click that copy icon. This action copies the chart as an image, which is ideal for pasting into a document without changing the formatting. Now switch over to your Word document. You can open an existing document or start a new one, but make sure it is the document where you want the chart to appear. Click in the exact spot where you want the chart inserted. Placing your cursor first helps keep your layout clean, especially if you are pasting multiple charts into the same report. To paste the chart, use your keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and V at the same time. On a Mac, press Command and V at the same time. The chart should appear in your Word document as an image. Give it a second to load, especially if the chart is detailed. Once it is pasted, you can click the image to reposition it if needed. If you are adding more charts, return to the Responses tab in Google Forms, find the next chart, click the same copy icon, and paste again in Word. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.